Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa have a beautiful coral grouper here with me. This is not very big, just nice for table size. Probably about 600 gram, yeah, 600 gram. And Appa is going to do Teochew steam tonight. I have some pickled mustard. I have some, this is one piece of the salted plum and some salted plum water, the juice, sauce, sorry. That is it's going to help to create the sourish flavor, and some red chili and also ginger. First of all, let's quickly prep the fish. You have to make sure you clean the fish thoroughly, especially the fish kidney. So where is the fish kidney? Let me quickly show you this middle bone here. Usually there's one layer of blood stain attached to the middle bone. That is the kidney, fish kidney, and that is the source of fishiness. Always clean that. Yeah, sometimes there is an extra membrane will cover the blood stain. So remove that membrane and remove the blood stain. Then you will be able to remove the majority of the fishy smell itself. Yeah. Then I have actually butterfly cut this fish so that it's easier to steam. Put one ginger at the bottom. Then we will make few slits on the fish body. Just give it some fine salt. And few pieces of ginger on top, and we shall send this to the steamer. So let's on the steamer, steam, normal steam, confirm, increase the steam, 100 degrees Celsius. Time, I'm going to give it about 10 minutes, but I will take the fish out somewhere in the middle to add in the sauce later. Okay, so let's build up the steam to 100 degrees Celsius and above. Right, we have preheated the steamer to 100 degrees Celsius. Carefully put in the fish in the middle. Close the lid and we will steam it for approximately 10 minutes. First of all, let's give it a little bit of oil and heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the pickled veggie. Let's saute the pickled veggie a little bit. By sauteing the pickled veggie under oil, it will actually help to remove the earthy smell, yeah? The earthy smell of the pickled veggie, if any lah. Then after that, we're going to give it some filtered water. I'm going to add in the salted plum together with the sauce. Let's add in some savory using some fish, my premium Vietnamese fish sauce. Also, we give it a little bit of fine salt, some sugar. I'll put in part of the chili. The rest of the chili I will use it for garnishing later. So this process here, we will try to cook some of the sourish flavor out from the pickled veggie. Yeah. Ooh, already I can smell the sourish flavor. Very, very nice. All right, our steamed fish sauce is basically ready. Let me just add one more thing. This is for extra flavor, some fried garlic and fried garlic oil. For those who wanted to add in my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, feel free to do so. All right, our steamed fish sauce for our Teochew steam is ready. So this is coming to 8 minutes. I will stop it halfway first. Let's open this. Wow, look at the fish, so beautiful. Wow, but I also see a lot of fishy water. Let me quickly show you. Check out the fish. And you also see some fishy water there, right? All this steamed fish water, that is also the source of fishiness. So we are going to remove the fishy water before we add in the steamed fish sauce. Right, I have removed all the fishy water there. Now I'm going to put in the steamed fish sauce we just made a while ago. Oh, you can add some tomato if you have it. Yeah, I don't have tomato with me. I forgot to add actually. Right, and we're going to put this back to the steamer for another 2 minutes. Right, this is after another 2 more minutes. Okay, my fish is definitely done. Let me slowly take it out. Wow. Right, so here's my steamed fish using Teochew style. I still have some red chili, I will put it on top. And some fried garlic. All right, done. So here's tonight's Appa's version of Teochew steamed coral grouper. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.